Projectors are the guides of the human design world, uniquely designed to see, understand, and manage the energy of others, rather than generating their own consistent energy like generators or manifestors. Known as wisdom keepers, projectors have a natural ability to recognize patterns, understand systems, and offer insights that help others work more efficiently and effectively. Their strength lies in guidance, strategy, and direction. They are born to lead, advise, and optimize, often becoming invaluable advisors, mentors, or coordinators. As a non-energy type, projectors must approach life differently. They thrive not by pushing or forcing, but by waiting for recognition and invitation from the right people or situations. When acknowledged and invited, their clarity and wisdom shine, allowing them to share their insights with precision and impact. By honoring their natural rhythm, managing their energy carefully, and focusing on where they are recognized, projectors can experience profound influence, fulfillment, and success, while maintaining balance and avoiding burnout. Projectors are the natural guides and wisdom keepers of the human design world, gifted with the ability to see beyond the surface and discern patterns, strengths, and opportunities that others often overlook. Their insights are not just observations, they are deep, strategic understandings that allow them to offer guidance with clarity and precision. This ability to perceive the bigger picture makes them exceptional at directing energy, optimizing processes, and helping others achieve their goals more efficiently. Efficiency is another hallmark of the projector's strength. Unlike energy types who must rely on sustained work, projectors excel at doing more with less, focusing their attention and expertise where it will have the greatest impact. Their guidance is most effective when it is recognized and invited, allowing them to channel their wisdom in ways that empower others without overextending themselves. By combining insight, strategic thinking, and a natural talent for guidance, projectors become invaluable resources in any environment, offering leadership, mentorship, and support that drives success and growth for those around them. Projectors are not designed with a consistent energy supply like generators or manifestors. Because of this, they are particularly vulnerable to burnout if they overextend themselves or try to keep up with the pace of energy types. Their natural tendency to guide and help others can sometimes lead them to take on too much, working tirelessly without replenishing their own energy. Another challenge for projectors is the need for recognition and validation. Unlike other types who can push forward independently, projectors thrive when their talents and insights are acknowledged. Without recognition, they may feel unseen, unappreciated, or frustrated, which can block the flow of opportunities and abundance in their lives. This desire for validation can also lead them to overexert themselves in an attempt to prove their worth, further depleting their energy. Effective energy management is crucial for projectors. Learning to wait for the right invitations, honoring their natural rhythms, and setting boundaries helps them maintain vitality and avoid burnout. By recognizing and respecting their own energy limitations, projectors can channel their insight and guidance in ways that are both impactful and sustainable, ensuring that their contributions are received and valued without compromising their well-being. In the following slides, we will explore the unique energy flow of projectors and how they can align their lives to attract abundance. By understanding how their energy is designed to work, through recognition, rest, and wise guidance, projectors can unlock their natural potential for success. When they learn to work with their energy instead of against it, they become powerful magnets for opportunities, resources, and fulfillment. Projectors thrive when they are invited into opportunities rather than attempting to initiate or force their way forward. Their energy is most effective and sustainable when they wait for recognition and acknowledgement from the right people or circumstances. When others recognize their wisdom, insight, and unique perspective and invite them to share it, projectors can step in with clarity and authority, creating impact without overextending themselves. Abundance naturally follows when projectors honor this process. By being patient and discerning about where to invest their time and energy, they ensure that their guidance and contributions are not only valued, but also met with support and receptivity. The right opportunities, whether in career, relationships, or creative endeavors, arrive at the right time when projectors allow themselves to be invited, rather than pushing or overexerting. This approach maximizes their effectiveness, preserves their energy, and opens the door to sustainable success and fulfillment. Projectors have a unique way of seeing the world. Their ability to observe patterns, understand systems, and perceive what others might miss allows them to offer valuable insights and guidance. When projectors embrace this distinct perspective and trust in their innate wisdom, they naturally attract abundance in multiple forms: recognition, opportunities, resources, and supportive relationships. Their magnetism comes not from exerting force or constantly pushing forward, but from the clarity, depth, and authenticity of their guidance. By stepping into their role as advisors, mentors, and strategists, projectors create an energy that draws the right people and circumstances toward them. The more they honor their gifts and wait for the invitations that align with their purpose, the more effortlessly abundance flows into their lives, allowing them to contribute meaningfully while maintaining balance and well-being. Projectors are not designed for endless hustle or constant output like energy types. Their strength lies in strategy, insight, and the ability to guide others efficiently. True abundance for projectors comes from working smarter, focusing on their areas of expertise, and collaborating with people who recognize and value their unique gifts. When projectors align with the right opportunities and wait for invitations that match their talents, success flows naturally. By concentrating their energy where it has the greatest impact, they avoid burnout while maximizing their effectiveness. This approach allows them to leverage their wisdom and strategic vision to create meaningful results, attract recognition, and draw the resources they need. In essence, projectors manifest abundance not through constant effort, but by honoring their strengths, trusting their insight, and engaging only where their contributions are appreciated and welcomed. Projectors operate differently from energy types. They do not generate constant energy and therefore need regular periods of rest to recharge and maintain their effectiveness. Taking time for themselves is essential not only for their physical and mental well-being, but also for sustaining the clarity and focus that make their guidance valuable to others. When projectors honor their need for rest, they remain magnetized, able to attract the right opportunities, recognition, and resources without overextending themselves. Rest allows them to regain perspective, tune into their unique insights, and approach each invitation or opportunity with precision and authority. By balancing work with periods of recuperation, projectors maintain alignment with their natural energy flow, ensuring that their influence is impactful and that abundance continues to flow into their lives effortlessly. In essence, rest is not a pause from productivity. It is a crucial element in sustaining their wisdom, guidance, and the magnetic energy that draws success and fulfillment. Projectors are not designed to chase after success through constant effort or hustle. Their strength lies in observing, understanding, and guiding, leveraging their natural wisdom rather than pushing blindly forward. When projectors focus on their areas of expertise and cultivate their unique gifts, they allow recognition and opportunities to come to them rather than forcing them. By trusting the process and waiting for invitations that align with their talents, projectors create a natural flow in which success manifests effortlessly. The universe responds to their clarity and alignment, bringing the right opportunities, supportive people, and valuable rewards at precisely the right time. This approach allows projectors to conserve their energy, maintain their influence, and make the greatest impact without experiencing burnout. In essence, abundance for projectors is not about constant striving. It is about patience, discernment, and aligning with recognition, so that the right doors open naturally and sustainably. Projectors experience their greatest abundance when they are recognized and valued for their unique wisdom, insights, and guidance. Unlike energy types who can push forward independently, projectors thrive when others acknowledge their talents and invite them to contribute. This recognition acts as a signal that their energy and perspective are needed, opening the door to meaningful opportunities and resources. When projectors allow themselves to be seen and wait for the right invitations, the universe responds by bringing the right people, projects, and circumstances into their lives. These invitations create a natural alignment, allowing projectors to contribute their expertise efficiently while conserving energy. In this state, their guidance is not only impactful, but also deeply rewarding, as they attract opportunities, support, and abundance that match their purpose and enhance their influence. Recognition, therefore, is more than validation. It is the key that unlocks the flow of abundance and ensures their contributions are both valued and sustainable.